Hello, I am Shauna Chesser. I am a dentist. More specifically, I'm a prosthodontist, which deals with full mouth rehab. I've been practicing in Nashville and Franklin areas for about 13 years. A large segment of our population struggles daily trying to do things that we all take for granted, and that's eating and speaking. And dentistry is a transformation tool. And I do dentistry because of those conscious movements of speaking a little differently, talking a little differently, chewing a little differently, or smiling a little differently. Because it's those conscious movements that affect our subconscious, our self-esteem, how we feel about ourselves, or how we perceive others feel about us. Because I felt there was a need. For me, dentistry serves the spirit. So I help by giving that which I love to do, and dentistry just happens to be that vehicle. I have a patient by the name of Charlie. When he first sat down in the chair, he didn't talk to me. I just wanted to make sure it was okay for me to go into his mouth and do dental work. So he just quietly said, didn't say much of anything, but he said he did trust whatever I wanted to do. So we started our work. It took us about 4 months to get the work done. Once the work was done, I gave him a mirror. That as soon as he saw the mirror, that was the first time he ever smiled, the first time he ever said anything to me. And what he said to me was more profound than the smile that he actually had on his face. He said he always thought he was an angry person because he didn't have teeth. So if you don't have teeth, you don't smile. So if you don't smile, you feel angry, you feel depressed. So he also thought that maybe since he felt he was depressed, if he felt he was a mean person, then everybody else thought he was a mean person as well. But once he got his teeth and he saw this instant transformation of this smile, he said he started to feel like he was a different person. And after seeing him I think it was a month later, he came back and he told even more about how he felt himself changing into a different person. God brings the people into our lives for a reason, and dentistry just happens to be the vehicle that brought us together. I am Shauna Chesser. I believe generosity matters.